These are all stars. I'm sure my readers already know that. Some brighter than others, some closer than others, and some with different colors and orbital parameters around other stars. Many, many thousands of them exist in the night sky when you look up. At night, you can see them when it's clear, and they're very, very beautiful. Supposing, you're not living in a city where the light of the buildings blocks out the light of the stars. But if you're in a dark field away from the city lights and there's very, very little light pollution, you can see thousands of stars. The discovery of the first exoplanet belongs to the person who first looked up at the night sky and saw this. Each single individual dot that you see is an exoplanet. Hear me out. Each one is a very young exoplanet. But this time and age, we call them stars. It is an object that does not orbit the sun. The first discovery of an exoplanet belongs not to some scientist in academia. It belongs to this person. It belongs to the first human being to ever look up at the night sky and to see all those stars up there. And the discovery happened many, many, many tens of thousands of years ago. The stars you saw in that picture are the ones that you could see inside of the visible spectrum. They all radiated from their own light. But now we know better. Not all stars retain their light. They cool and die and solidify into what are called planets. Thus, the discovery of the first exoplanet belongs to the person who looked at the stars in a clear dark night. The discovery belongs to an unnamed caveman who opened his eyes. The discovery belongs to that caveman because he dared venturing out into the dark night, risking his life to see what was out there, to see these things, and wonder what happens to them.